Hey, this is Julian from the Binary Lab, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the elusive search for the best MT4 buy sell alerts. And basically I want to tell you about the truth about buy sell alerts, buy sell indicators. Okay, so this is one of the things that many people through the years have been trying to make money off by claiming that they have finally, found the holy grail of buy-sell arrows, buy-sell indicators, buy-sell notifications in Forex trading, in MT4 binary options trading. These so-called holy grail indicators that will tell you buy here, sell here, and win. So the truth about these, today I want to discuss the truth about these, and basically there are many different ways that these buy-sell arrows are generated. Okay, there are the arrows that give an early signal, and there are also the buy-sell arrow indicators that give a late signal. The late signal ones are generally a moving average cross, so it can be between between two different SMAs. One could be 21, the other one is a 5. One could be a 15, the other one is a 3. Whatever, or sometimes it can even be one is applied to open, one is applied to close, and then based on that, you have a reaction. And then sometimes there are different arrow buy-sell arrow alerts that are generated based on different kind of moving average settings. Okay, like I talked about having MAs of different periods, but let's say you can also have them to be the same period but different kind. So for example, there's like the different kinds, like there's a slow moving average, there's the exponential moving average, there's a linear weighted moving average, and of course they can be applied to open, close, median, or high, low, close divided by whatever. So there are different ways of this, and then this is the one that I mentioned is the slow indication of a signal. Okay, now there's also the other one that gives you an early signal. The early signal is generally one that factors in the last X number of bars. So based on the last X number of bars, it goes into different calculations that factor in theoretical overbought and oversold regions, and then give you a hint as to whether you should buy or sell here. A lot of the people generally want to get into the trade sooner than later, and a lot of people are baited in to getting all these Forex buy-sell indicator alerts that give you an early entry versus a late entry. The problem with that is that you cannot. There isn't really a holy grail, because sometimes on a good day it will seem like it's working really good, but there's also going to be the times where it doesn't work as the way you expect. For example, you probably experienced times when you saw an alert to sell, and then instead the price kept going higher and higher. Or you saw an alert to buy, and then the price kept going lower and lower. You're wondering, what the heck is going on? And there you are. If you're in Forex, you're wondering, should I hold my trade further? Or if you're in binary option, you're thinking, shit, should I roll over? Should I enter the trade again? So the basis of how it works, like I said, is that it simply uses X number of bars to calculate theoretical reversal zones based on overbought and oversold. Okay, so should you be using buy-sell alerts? As a matter of fact, we do use buy-sell alert indicators inside of the Binary Lab template as well. But the thing is, in the way that I do it, the way that I teach my community of traders, like I said, the template that we use has buy-sell alerts among other things. In fact, right now we're using two different alerts. We use them one to confirm the other. All right, let's say one may give a sell alert, but we don't take the trade until the second one also confirms the same thing, probably within 2 bars. And for example, if the first alert appears, which is the early signal, right? The early signal is so I use very tight settings. I use a tight setting to get a early entry, but at the same time I use another one that is based on a later response, which is based on an MA kind of cross kind of thing, that actually confirms that within 1 or 2 bars later. Okay, and it needs to confirm within a certain amount of bars, after which it's invalid. On top of that, I also use this in combination with different things. So, are they the holy grail? Do they make things easier? Yes, I say it makes trading easier. It helps you visualize areas to buy and sell, except that you cannot just use it wholesale, all right? Because there will be the days when the market are pushing highs, there will be the days the market is pushing lows, and there will be the days when the market is not doing anything at all. And a lot of the time, when you look at a chart, let's say if you have no indicator windows, like a lot of by default MT4 is just like a chart and with a moving average on it, that's it, right? But after you, like me and a lot of people, we start to get crazy about all kinds of indicators and stuff, and then we have 2 or 3 different indicator windows apart at the bottom beneath the main window. And then now it helps us actually put things in perspective that some of the price moves are not actually as big as we think. Alright? And then, like I said, you need to use them ultimately in combination with other indicators like oscillators, like the relative strength index, the stochastics, or if let's say if you prefer the Williams percent R, Williams percent retracement over the RSI, you can use that too. But you cannot simply use accumulation distribution index. That's also very good. You cannot use it. You cannot use buy sell by itself, because if you use the lagging one, lagging one for Forex is actually technically okay. But if you're in a sluggish market, you're stuck, because you're going to find that you're going to be exiting a lot of trades. You'll either break even or loss. If you're getting the big zigzags, good for you. You will get some money, but you'll get into trade maybe 2-3 bars late after the trend is really reversing. And in binary, like if you want to take the early signals by itself, like I say, you need to combine it with a few other things. Of course, it's very important, especially in binary. I think it's important to be able to get a very early idea of where the price is going to be hitting, so that we can get a trade to catch the highs, and so that we don't have to spend too much time in the market. But at the same time, we need to be accurate as well, so that you don't have to make too many corrective entries. When I say corrective entries, I mean martingaling. So currently, in the way that we trade in the Binary Lab, on yesterday's webinar session, like as you saw, I actually posted a live video of myself trading. It was prior to the webinar and also after the webinar, when I ran through a couple of things. You may have caught some glimpses of the kind of the trading setup that I use, and you would have seen that I talked about a new confirmation that I've added that makes it a lot more accurate in getting a safer entry into your trades. So because of that method, if you saw my results video yesterday, the live trading, at the end of it, I had the results of my live webinar session as well. You see that I actually went into a martingale like only like twice in a whole of 90 minutes. So most of them were on point and winning by good ranges as well. And when we finally did the martingale, those won very clean as well. So I hope this video gives you some idea about the buy sell alerts. Don't take any bullshit out there, because a lot of marketers out there will just simply rehash things that have been out there for years. And say, oh, this is the thing you need to get. If you've been losing, you need this thing right now, and they'll charge you like 97, 197 for it. It's generally a bunch of bullshit. Like I said, they only work in 2 different ways. They're either speculative, or one that's late in confirming. So for those of you who are looking to learn more about binary options trading, I actually run daily live webinars for my community, as long as there is no bank holidays or public holidays. Basically, these sessions go on every day, and there are about 4 to 6 sessions every week on average. And these sessions are typically done during the New York Open, and as well as the London Open, and as well as the Asian Open. So I have about 3 New York Open sessions every week, and 1 London and 1 Asian, or 2 London sessions and no Asian sessions. It all depends. And I look forward to seeing you inside the Binary Lab. If you have any questions about trading or indicators and stuff, like if it's general trading and let's say some advice you're looking for, you can head on to my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/thebinarylab page. It's also probably down beneath in the video description as well. And if you're looking for a link to join my community that we're talking about, there are links down beneath as well. And in the meantime, if you're looking for some nice brokers to deal with, why not check out 24 Option? I think they're an excellent broker to use. They offer like really fast execution, plus they have a variety of tradable instruments, and at the same time excellent customer service. This is Julian from the Binary Lab. See you.